This juice is absolutely fantastic for your body. You can drink this as well, and this is absolutely very good for your hair. This will act as a natural conditioner. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing another natural hair remedy for healthy hair growth. So today's ingredient is cucumber. Yes, we all know that cucumber is good for our skin, our body, but yes, cucumber is also good for our hair. So cucumber repairs and strengthening your hair. It gives your hair a good strength and it repairs your hair, repairs your damage. It also adds shine to your hair. It makes your hair very shiny. It is also a very good conditioner. Yes, cucumber is also a very good conditioner for your hair, and then it promotes healthy hair growth because it contains vitamin C. So guys, let's go on and make this wonderful DIY juice for our healthy hair growth. Yes, I am going to slice off my lovely cucumber. And now I'm going to add a little bit of water inside the blender. So after blending my cucumber, I am going to drain it. So this is our cucumber juice. This juice is absolutely fantastic for your body. You can drink this as well, and this is absolutely very good for your hair. This will act as a natural conditioner. It will strengthen and give your hair the shine that your hair need, and it will also promote healthy hair growth. So I'll be going on ahead and I'll be showing you how I apply this cucumber juice on my hair. So I'm back from making my cucumber hair juice, and I am going to apply this all over a clean washed hair. So I have went inside my bathroom and I have washed my hair. I'm trying to take out the excess water out of my hair. I'm going to put the cucumber hair juice inside this container. So I am going to sprinkle this all over my hair. So after applying it, I'm going to massage it in. So I'm going to cover my hair for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I go off to my shower and rinse my hair off with warm water. So this is how I make and apply my cucumber hair juice on my natural hair. This is absolutely fantastic for your hair. Remember that it is a natural conditioner for your hair, and it also stimulates hair growth. So thank you guys for stopping by to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.